Hey guys, what's up? So today I just received my Osmo Action. Now I did receive two different products. So one is the extension pole, which I'm going to make a video sometime later on, and I received the Osmo Action. I received it from the company called eGlobal Central, and I just wanted to make this quick video because obviously right now because of the lockdown you can't go out, but I really needed this product. I did a lot of comparison as compared to the GoPro Hero 8, and I found that this would be a fantastic option because I've got all the rest of the DJI products. So without any delay, let's talk about the packaging first of all. So it's white, yeah. So it gives you some details on the back, which it tells you about the HDR 4K 60 frames per second and 8 times you can sort of zoom. It's got a 1 meter waterproof resistance, dual screen, which is the most important things, and it's called EIS 4K EIS. And over here it just shows you what different items come in the box. So I'm guessing that's the Osmo Action itself, the battery case, the USB-C cable, and so on. They've got these 6 different products. On the left it says DJI, on the top it's empty. On the bottom it gives you the UPC and the serial number, and on the other side it just tells you DJI.com. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So guys, here we have it, the DJI Osmo Action. First impression is that the packing is really, it's really properly packed. And let's see what comes in the box. Comes with this user guide or user manual. Then it comes with this attachment. So there is one attachment and then there is another attachment. I think so this is for the helmet because it's slightly curved, and the DJI Osmo Action can be fitted over here. It's got this easy release sort of button over here. And then you have the battery. The battery is in this DJI case. Here we go guys, that is the battery. It's got this seal on it. And here it is, the DJI Osmo Action. The first thing is, the build quality really looks very neat. It's got this sort of shiny DJI Osmo Action written over here, stickers on the screen, and it comes with its own housing. So I'm going to turn it on later on. So yeah, this is the DJI Osmo Action. It was just in the shell, so I've just taken it out of the shell, and it has the place to install the battery, which is open. And in terms of its size and build quality, it really looks very solid. So it is made of, I think so, made out of high density plastic, and it's got this rubber on the sides. On the top it says display, and then you have this power button. On the sides you have these sort of holes, and apart from that, yeah, so on the left side it has this QS, and there is this other button. So I'm not entirely sure what that does. Yeah, so that is the battery. It just literally pops in, and that's it. And then you just have to click close. So that's the button where it shows that it should be properly click close. It shouldn't be red. So it comes with a USB-C cable, the locking screw for the attachment, and then there is this single attachment over here, and that is it. So yeah, so in terms of the build quality, as I told you, it looks quite robust, quite solid. So this was my quick unboxing for the DJI Osmo Action. I'll be making another video which I'll be turning it on, and I'll be showing you the different features of the DJI Osmo Action. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you have any questions, if you're planning to buy it, leave any comments in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.